I'm walking toward the trap and I can see that the door is closed, so I think we got something. What is this? Oh, it's a raccoon. Check this out. Hey buddy, what's going on? Easy man, easy. So here we have it, the chicken's killer. The chicken seems to be happy behind. So something that caught my attention is that the raccoon ate all the plastic of the container that I use where I put the food. So you may be in pain or having a lot of plastic in the stomach. So next time I'm going to be using like a metal can or something like that. I'm going to see if I can feed him some water. Hey, you want water, man? You want water? Easy. You want water? Okay. I think you are pretty scared. So let's see the chickens. How are they doing? Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have them all. So after all the killings, I hatched some eggs, and I got too many roosters though. I got 2 sex-ling roosters and 2 hens Rhode Island. I believe the 2 hens are Rhode Island, 1 may be a rooster as well. The white ones are the sex-ling roosters, and that one over there is for sure a hen, Rhode Island. This one, not 100% sure yet if it's a rooster or a hen. And inside there, in the hen gear nesting box, I have a chicken laying eggs. So I called my neighbor, the one that told me that the predator was a raccoon, and asked him what should I do with a raccoon. And he told me, just shoot him and throw it into the burn pile. The vultures will take care of him. I think this raccoon is gonna have a little bit of better luck today. And by the way, I'm gonna be building a waterer with the same style bucket like this one, because now it's getting so hot here in Texas that the chickens are drinking a lot of water. And by the way, I see a lot of bees coming to the waterers to drink of the nipple as well. When there is a droplet of water coming out, there's always like 2 or 3 bees around, which is pretty cool. All right, buddy. You and I, we're gonna have a conversation. All right, buddy, let's set you free. Let me get you. Now remember that I'm as afraid of you as you're afraid of me. So you run one way, I run a different way, okay? All right, there we go. Good luck, buddy. They have their purpose, so no need to kill them. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.